The USA Pan Bakeware half-sheet baking pan is a high-quality product that is sure to elevate your baking experience. Made from durable aluminized steel, this baking pan provides excellent heat distribution, ensuring even and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of this product is its size. With dimensions of 17.25 L into 12.25 W into 1 H, the half-sheet pan offers ample space for baking a variety of treats, from cookies and biscuits to sheet cakes and roasted vegetables. You'll appreciate the versatility this size provides, allowing you to handle all your baking needs with ease. In terms of construction, the aluminized steel material of the pan is both sturdy and reliable. It resists warping, ensuring that the pan maintains its shape even under high temperatures. This not only guarantees long-lasting durability, but also promotes even heating throughout the baking process, resulting in perfectly browned and evenly cooked creations.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you. The USA Pan Bakeware Rectangular Cake. Pan is an outstanding product that delivers top-notch performance in the world of baking. Crafted with high-quality alloy steel, this pan is built to last and withstand repeated use. The brand behind this remarkable product is none other than USA Pan, known for its commitment to excellence and innovation in bakeware. The aluminized steel color gives the cake pan a sleek and professional look, perfect for both home bakers and professional chefs. Its rectangular shape offers versatility in baking and allows for even heat distribution, resulting in consistently baked cakes. One of the special features of this cake pan is its non-stick surface, which ensures easy release of baked goods and effortless cleaning. This feature is a game changer, making it a breeze to remove cakes from the pan without any mess or damage. Whether you're baking a classic sponge cake, a rich chocolate brownie, or a layered carrot cake, the USA Pan Bakeware Rectangular Cake.
The Winware by Winco Sheet Pan is an exceptional product that I highly recommend. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this sheet pan is a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable and durable baking tool. One of the standout features of the Winware sheet pan is its high-quality construction. Made from durable aluminum, this sheet pan is built to withstand the test of time. The silver color adds a touch of elegance, making it suitable for both professional and home kitchens. Measuring at 18 L into 13 W into 1 H, this sheet pan provides ample space for all your baking needs. Whether you're making cookies, roasting vegetables, or baking a delicious sheet cake, the size is perfect for various recipes. Additionally, weighing only 16 ounces, the pan is lightweight and easy to handle. The Winware sheet pan is not only practical, but also easy to maintain. It is dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and effortless cleanup.
This review is written by an experienced product marketing expert with over 10 years of writing experience. The Nordic Ware Naturals registered trademark quarter sheet is a versatile and practical baking sheet that provides excellent performance in the kitchen. Made from high-quality aluminum, this sheet offers even heat distribution, ensuring that your baked goods come out perfectly every time. One of the standout features of this product is its natural color. The natural aluminum finish enhances the appearance of your baked goods, giving them a professional and appetizing look. Whether you're baking cookies, pastries, or roasting vegetables, the Nordic Ware Naturals registered trademark quarter sheet will help you achieve bakery-quality results. With dimensions of 12.9 L into 9.6 W into 1.1 H, this sheet is the perfect size for most baking needs. It fits comfortably in standard ovens, allowing you to maximize your baking space. The lightweight design and convenient one-pack quantity make it easy to handle and store.
The Good Cook Baking Sheet is a versatile and reliable kitchen tool that will elevate your baking experience. With over 10 years of experience in product marketing and writing, I can confidently say that this baking sheet is a top-notch choice for both amateur bakers and professionals alike. One of the standout features of this product is its sleek and modern design. The dark gray color adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen, while the steel material ensures durability and longevity. The 13 inches x 9 inches size provides ample space for all your baking needs, making it perfect for baking cookies, pastries, and even roasting vegetables. The Good Cook brand has always been synonymous with quality, and this baking sheet is no exception. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, it delivers exceptional performance and consistent results. The product dimensions of 13L into 9W into 1H make it a versatile addition to any kitchen, fitting perfectly in standard ovens. Weighing at 3.1 pounds.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.